Hi everybody, this is Aaron with theruggedstore.com, and today we got this printer, the Printek I820 or Interceptor 820. This is the all-new thermal printer from Printek, and we've shown it off kind of a walkthrough video in another one and also a comparison video with its direct competition, the PJ7 Brother thermal printer. In this video I kind of want to show two different things. I want to show you one, how to load the thermal paper roll, and two, how to also install the optional battery. So as you can see, we have a paper feed button, a power button, and then three indicator lights. You have the on-off indicator light, the battery indicator light, and then a third indicator light that is used to in flashing on and off, or just plain on or off. It's used to signal a few different things. But we're going to flip this over, and you can see this is where the battery to be installed is right on the bottom of the chassis. Now I have the battery already with me, and like I said, this is an optional feature for the Printek I820. So it's really easy. You just want to make sure you got your slots lined up with the printer. You got positive symbol right there, and it just lines up. Pretty simple, just to drop it in, and you can see you got two little screws on either side. You want to make sure it's firmly seated, then we could just hand tighten the screws. I'm kind of doing this backwards, so bear with me. Make sure they're going into their respective threads. You want to just make sure they're going in evenly so you don't have the printer all kind of cockeyed with the battery not seated firmly. So as you can see, all the seams should be pretty well seated, nice and evenly. And then we can flip this over and we will be able to now turn it on. As you can see, there is the on-off button. This is telling us that it doesn't have any paper in it. There's kind of a boot up sequence with the I820. Give it 10 to 15 seconds. Once you turn it on, it'll be ready to start printing. So this will stay red until I load some paper. But first I want to flip it back over, show you a cool little feature about the battery. It has a little power indicator, and so if you press that power indicator, you can see the lights light up. Shows you a full battery life. The battery life per cycle for the printer is around 300 pages. Depends really on the intensity of what you're printing, but on average you'll get around 300 prints per battery cycle. Let me flip that over here, and again we're going to show you how to load the paper. So it's really simple. Pop it open. Again, this I820 is all self-contained, so this is the printer chassis and it will contain your paper. You don't need any external cases. This is a thermal paper roll, and it is perforated with black marks. And that black mark on the paper will be able to tell the printer where the edge of the page lies. Really just drop it in, make sure it's in there, kind of pull some slack in out. It's going to feed a page just so there's no jams, and it's going to get you to that black mark. Has two little tear strips on here, so it's always, or usually, pretty clean tear. And that's the I820. The Printek I820, we showed you how to load the battery and load paper, and you're off to the races. So again, this is Aaron with The Rugged Store. If you have any questions about the I820, if it's the right solution for your situation, definitely give us a call or a chat, or if you just have some questions about it, we're always looking to answer it. And we'll see you at theruggedstore.com. Bye-bye.